Railway Museum, Chattogram, Bangladesh. Bangladesh Railway Museum is the only railway museum in the country, located in the hills of Chattogram, Bangladesh. It is also the only museum in the country where the history of changes and modernization of the century-old Bangladesh Railway is preserved. The museum is located on a hilly area of about 12 acres in front of the Bangladesh Railway Carriage and Wagon Factory in Ambagan, under Pahartoli Thana, Chittagong. The museum's wooden two-story bungalows spread over an area of about 4,200 square feet. It was used as a railway bungalow until it became the country's only railway museum on 15 November 2003. In 2016, the railway authorities began renovation work on the museum. Railway Museum, Chattogram, Bangladesh, Porjoton BD Tours and Travels. Contact number 0177 646 7789. Content created by Shathi Boni. Voice Tahmina Shanta. Thanks for watching.